breaking the air cooling boundary, challenging the light output limit. Bodor laser reignites the welding revolution. Air 1200 and Air 600, self-cooling handheld laser welders, leading the way. Bodor laser self-cooling handheld laser welders, with self-developed intelligent circulation and constant temperature control technology, revolutionarily solve the traditional problem of intermittent cooling interruptions in air cooling welding. Due to heat dissipation issues, advanced latent heat technology achieves high-speed hot and cold cycle conversion. Through phase change of the cooling medium, independent cooling air duct design ensures no heat overflow. The shovel-tooth fin structure, with better cooling material and a wider cooling area, outputs heat in a high-speed and continuous manner. Self-developed Bodor power perfectly matches the self-developed Bodor thinker control system, achieving full power light output with the processing of per millimeters penetration. The 1200 watt self-cooling handheld laser welder can replace 1500 watts water cooling laser welders. Air 1200 and Air 600 can achieve industry-first 7/24 hours continuous light output, finishing welding perfectly, which signifies the start of a new era of continuous light output for air cooling welders. In the National High and Low Temperature Laboratory, they have undergone thousands of temperature tests, maintaining output even in severe colds at -20 degrees Celsius, and steady performance in high temperatures up to 40 degrees Celsius. Their robust capability to deliver continuous, stable, and high-quality output ensures them to excel in any season regardless of extreme cold or heat. Tests by the authoritative CNAS certification indicate that steel processed by Bodor self-cooling handheld laser welders features smooth, aesthetically pleasing, and deformation-free weld seams. They show strong advantages in bending, impact, and tensile strength, ensuring every welding is exceptional. The powerful self-cooling handheld laser welders, despite their compact size and lightweight design, Air 1200 and Air 600 remain robust and stylish, offering a more portable and flexible experience, showcasing their star quality in every welding process. The knob design ensures simple operation. Air 1200 and Air 600 come with a comprehensive welding process database. By selecting the material thickness and type, you can complete the process setup, allowing you to master it immediately and become an expert quickly. The 100 to 240 volts wide voltage design allows you to confidently start high-performance operations in the world, whether at home or outdoors. Innovative air cooling technology pioneers continuous light output. Powerful, intelligent, flexible, simple. Air 1200 and Air 600 self-cooling handheld laser welders. Air cooling pioneer, leading the era.
Bodor, dare to dream.